To use Afterpay on Walmart online, start by going to the Walmart website and browsing for the items you want to purchase. Once you have added all the items to your cart, proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you will see a list of payment options. Click on the Afterpay option to select it as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Afterpay website where you will need to create an account or log in if you already have one. To create an account, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. You will also need to add a payment method, which can be a credit or debit card. Afterpay will then perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for their service. If you are approved, you will be able to complete your purchase and pay for it in 4 installments, due every 2 weeks. The first installment will be due at the time of purchase, and the remaining 3 installments will be due every 2 weeks thereafter. It is essential to note that Afterpay charges a late fee if you miss a payment, so it is crucial to make your payments on time. You can set up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment. You will receive reminders and notifications from Afterpay when a payment is due, so you can stay on top of your payments. Using Afterpay on Walmart online is a convenient and flexible way to pay for your purchases over time. It allows you to get the items you need now and pay for them in installments, without having to pay the full amount up front. By following these steps and using Afterpay responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of this payment option and make your shopping experience more manageable and affordable.